Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faisi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn about types of chemical reactions. So, reactions means what? Reactions should contain reactants and products. And overall reaction is known as synthesis reaction. Means you are making some new compound. So A plus B, it gives AB. A reaction where two reactants combine to make a larger, more complex products. Synthesis reactions. Now, you can see here hydrochloric acid and ammonia. Hydrochloric acid and ammonia. In this container, with a stopcock, you can see hydrochloric acid and here ammonia. What will happen if you add formation of ammonium chloride, which is solid, and these both are gas. So, decomposition reactions. You know, my friends, now AB gives A plus B. It decomposes into A plus B. Decomposition reactions, a reaction where more or complex molecules breaks down to form two or more simpler products. Now, decomposition reactions. Ammonium nitrate, it gives water into O2 and energy. You can see this building, Bombay. So, completely decompose like ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate decompose, gives the water, nitrogens, oxygens, and energy. In the same way, the building demolition with ammonium nitrate explosives. Now decomposition reactions, you can see potassium chloride, solid, plus energy, it convert into potassium chloride and oxygens. Now single displacement reactions. A plus BC, it gives AC plus B. So A replaces the positions of B and forming AC plus B. So this is the single displacement reaction. A reaction where an element displaces another element in a compound, producing a new compound and new element. So single displacement reaction examples: silver nitrate, mercuric nitrate and silver, which is solid. It replaces the mercury and forming silver nitrate. So you have all chemical here and you have the product here. Now single displacement reaction, sodium react with water, it gives sodium hydroxide. So sodium replaces the hydrogens in the form of H2 gas. So single displacement reactions, silver nitrate, mercuric nitrate react with silver, it gives silver nitrate. Will this reaction occurs? H2, zinc chloride, hydrochloric acid, and what about this reaction? So the second reaction does not occur. How will you know if the single displacement reaction will occur or not? You know this table, activity series of metal in aqueous solutions. The activity series also in the tables who's hot and who's not analogy. So single displacement reaction, magnesium sulfate and zinc. Will this reaction occurs? This reaction will not occur. Single displacement involving halogens, I2 plus calcium bromide. Will this reaction occurs? This reaction will not occur. The position of the halogens in the periodic table will tell you how reactive they are. Now Cl2 plus KBr, will this reaction occurs? This reaction will occurs. Cl2 plus 2 KBr, it gave KCl and Br2. So Cl replaces Br. Double displacement reactions, AD plus BC, it gave AC plus BD. So a reaction where elements in different compounds exchange places, producing two new compounds. This is the example of double displacement reactions. Lead nitrate, potassium iodide. Potassium replaces nitrate and Pb replaces iodine. So formation of lead iodide and potassium nitrate. Double displacement reactions. Cobalt chloride, ammonium phosphate, it gave cobalt phosphate, sodium chloride. Will this reaction occur? A reaction will occur only if the following will be produced: gas, solid precipitate, water. So, solubility table. Double displacement reactions, cobalt chloride, ammonium, sodium phosphate gave cobalt phosphate and sodium chloride. Will this reaction occur? So, yes. How will you know if the product is a gas? CO2 is a gas, but not every gas is that simple to recognize. If one of the product is carbonic or ammonium hydroxide equal, then you will get a gas. Carbonic acid gave water and carbon dioxide, and ammonium hydroxide gives ammonia gas and water. Double displacement reaction, for example, sodium carbonate, HCl, it gives sodium chloride and carbonic acid. So carbonic acid, it gives carbon dioxide. So the equation may be rewritten as sodium carbonate, hydrochloric acid gives sodium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. Now double displacement reaction, neutralization reaction, a special type of double displacement reaction. Acid plus base, it gave water and sodium chloride. You can see the hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide, it gives water and salt. So corrosive, corrosive, non-corrosive, non-corrosive. Double displacement neutralization reactions. Example, anti-acid neutralize stomach acid. So HCl react with calcium carbonate, it gave calcium chloride and carbonic acid. And carbonic acid gives water and carbon dioxide. Now combustion reactions. You know a fuel react with O2, giving the products carbon dioxide and water. A reaction of a fuel with oxygen producing energy in the form of heat or light. So combustion reaction, fuel plus O2, it gives the product water and carbon dioxide. Element plus O2 give oxide plus energy, like magnesium react with oxygen, it gives magnesium oxide plus energy. Phosphorus react with oxygen, it gives phosphorus oxide and energy. So combustion reactions. When burning a fuel, there are two types of combustion to consider. First type, complete combustion. Hydrocarbon plus oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide, water and energy. Methane react with O2, it gives carbon dioxide, water and energy. Combustion reaction second type, incomplete combustion. Butane, O2 react with gives carbon dioxide, water, carbon monoxide and carbon. black, and poisonous. So predicting the product for chemical reaction. Potassium plus Cl2, what product? So are the reaction in their pure elemental form, O2 magnesium Cl2? If yes, then this reaction is a synthesis reaction. So there should be only one product, and it should contain both reactants. Now predict a product for a chemical reaction. H2O gives something. Is there only one reactant? If yes, then this reaction is decomposition reaction. So there should be two products, each being separated elements, although there is not always the case. So water will give H2 plus O2. Now H2O2 gives what? Is there only one reactant? If yes, then this reaction is decomposition reaction. So there should be two products, each being separated elements, although there is not always the case. Now tin plus essential. If there are two reactants, is one of them pure metal or its own? If yes, then this reaction is single displacement reaction. So the metal that is on its own must take the place of the other metals, that is the larger compounds. Now sodium chloride and silver nitrate are both the reactants compound. If yes, then this reaction is a double displacement reaction. So the two metals must switch places with one another, forming two new compounds. Silver chloride, silver nitrate, sodium chloride and silver nitrate, it gives sodium nitrate and silver chloride. You can see it predicting the product of chemical reactions. C8H18 and react is one of the reactant oxygen gas. If yes, then the reaction is combustion reaction as well as synthesis reaction. So the product must be an oxide and energy. If one of the reactants is hydrocarbon, then carbon dioxide H2 are produced. So my friends, I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.